Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are to explain about antioxidant and antimutagenic activity of Curcuma caesiarox rhizome extract from Plant Biotechnology Laboratory, Department of Biotechnology, Assam University, Silchar, Assam 788011 in the 2012. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Arfani as moderator and first speaker, and my partner are Sahda and Firda as second and third speaker. We are from Department of Pharmacy at Tanjung Karang Health Polytechnic. Point to be discussed: first, introduction; second, material and method; third, result; fourth, discussion; and five, conclusion. Just go first, introduction. Research purpose: to find out if Curcuma caesiarox rhizome extract has antioxidant and antimutagenic effect. And then problem: due to the rhizome of Curcuma caesiarox ziniberaceae is traditionally used in various diseases and metabolic disorder such as leukoderma, asthma, tumor, hemorrhoid, bronchitis, etc. In the Indian system of medicine, so theoretical evidence is needed whether the rhizome of Curcuma caesiarox contains compounds that can cure the disease. Why should it be done? Because there is no research that explains Curcuma caesiarox rhizome extract has antioxidant and antimutagenic effect. Just the second, material and method. Number one, plant material collection and extraction. Materials: rhizome of C. caesiarox, ethanol, methanol, water, and method using the chocolate method. 1. The rhizomes were cut into pieces and sun-dried. 2. The dried rhizomes were coarsely powdered. 3. 100 grams of it was successfully extracted with various solvents, starting from least polar solvents to more polar, and then from petroleum ether to ethyl acetate, ethanol, methanol, and then finally to water through chocolate at a temperature of 50-60 Celsius for a period of 12-24 hours. The crude extract of each solvent were dry in water bath and kept for further use. Number 2, DPPH radical scavenging activity. Materials: 1 ml of H extract, 1 ml of DPPH 0.1 mm, 1 ml of DPPH 0.2 mm, 1 ml of ethanolic solution of ascorbic acid, 200 microgram milli. Method: using the spectrophotometric method. First, 1 ml of each extract of various concentration, 25 800 microgram per milli were mixed with 1 ml of DPPH 0.1 mm solution prepared in ethanol and incubate in duct for 20 min and absorbance values were recorded at 517 nanometer. Number 2, 1 ml of ethanol and 1 ml of ethanolic solution of DPPH 0.2 mm was taken as control. Number 3, 1 ml of ethanolic solution of ascorbic acid, 200 microgram milli, was mixed with 1 ml of DPPH ethanolic solution and absorbance values were recorded. The radical scavenging activity was calculated using the following formula. This formula to calculate radical scavenging activity. Number 3, determination of total phenolic contents in the plant's extract. Material: extract 1 milligram per milliliter, and then 10% volume thiosalteus reagent, 7.5% NaHCO3. Method: using the volume Thio-Salt-Thio method with little modification. Number 1, the reaction mixer was prepared by mixing 0.5 ml of each extract solution, 2.5 ml of 10% volume thio-salter reagent dissolved in water, and 2.5 ml of 7.5% NaHCO3. Number 2, blend was prepared containing 0.5 ml of ethanol, 2.5 ml of 10% volume thio-salter reagent dissolved in water, and 2.5 ml of 7.5% of NaHCO3. Number 3, the samples were derived incubated at 45 Celsius for 45 minutes. Number 4, the absorbance were determined using a spectrophotometer at max 795 nanometer. Number 5, the same procedure was repeated for the standard solution of gallic acid, and the calibration line 1 was controlled. Number 6, the content of phenolics in each extract was experienced in terms of gallic acid equivalent, milligram of GAE, 1000 gram DW of extract. Number 4, reducing power assay, materials, extract 1 milligram milliliter, 2.5 ml of 1% potassium ferricyanide, 0.5 ml of 0.5% FeCl3. Method, using method of Oyazu with little modification. Number 1, extract solution 200 1000 gram per milli, 1 milli of each was mixed with 2.5 milli of 0.2 m of phosphate buffer, pH 6.6, and 2.5 milli of 1% potassium ferricyanide. Number 2, the mixture was heated at 50 Celsius for 20 minutes and then cool, followed by the addition of 205 ml of 10% TCA, and then centrifugate at 3000 RPM for 10 minutes. Number 3, 205 ml of the supernatant was again mixed with 205 ml of dissolved water and 0.5 ml of 0.5% FeCl3, and the absorbance was recorded at 700 nanometer against blend without extract. Next will be presented by Firda.
5 bacterial strain. Salmonella typhimurium strain T898 and T100, which are histidine recurrent monocytes, were currently profiled by ILTACH. The genotype of the test strain were checked routinely for 3 histidine recruitment: RVA mutations, UV sensitivity, UVRB mutation. They were stored at 80 degrees Celsius. Further us. 679 profession. C9 is the mitochondrial enzyme mix required for metabolic activation of indirect acting mutagen like clopoplasmid. The C9 mixture was prepared from our liver as the chemicals 1 m glucose 6 phosphate, 0.1 m NADP, 0.2 m phosphate buffer, 0.4 m MgCl2 plus 1.67 mkcl Himedia India. 7. Salmonella microsome as method. 1. the bacterial strain were incubated in nutrient board of 16 horse at 37 Celsius in orbital shaker to obtain a density of 2 temperature 10 squared 9 colony forming unit GVU per milli. For 0.1 milli of an overnight culture of bacterial and 0.7 milli of sodium phosphate buffer. 0.2 m pH 7.4 for us without C9 supplement with 0.2 m histidine and 0.2 mm for biotin solution containing different concentration its extract. 3. They were mixed as protection for 10 ml. The resulting complete mixture was provided on minimal agar plate prepared. 4. The plate were incubated at 37 Celsius for 8 hours and the referent bacterial colony of eggs plate were that were colored with element plus mean standard deviation of the 3 experimental egg antimogenetic testing. Methods. 1. For the experiment with C9 mix 0.1 milli of overnight grow bacterial culture were taken followed by the addition of 0.2 mm. 2. Histidine biotin solution supplemented with egg extract at different concentration were mixed and incubated for 3 min. 3. After incubate 0.1 milli of the CP 500 gram per plate and 0.5 milli of C9 mix were added. 9. Statistical analysis. The result are presented as the average and standard deviation of 3 experimental with 3 picket plate dose experiment. The regression analysis was carried out in Microsoft Excel 2000 between percent inhibition of mutagenicity and values of concentration of the plate extract. Student test was proven to compare the main values with the positive control. Next will be presented by Sahda.
Number 3 for the results. How long does the study take? In November 2012. And location, the region of Nangal-Bisnupur district, Manipur, India. And this is the table from antioxidant activity. Content the total phenolic content in the examined valence tract using the Folin-Ciosylted reagent is expressed in terms of gallic acid equivalent the standard curve Y equal 0.0178 x plus 1 plus 0.148 R2 equal 0.9831. Total phenolic content in the examined extract range from ECC equal 52.11 milligram per 100 GDW, ECC equal 68.64 milligram per 100 GDW, ECC equal 38 milligram per 100 GDW, AECC equal 4.82 milligram per 100 GDW of the extract. The highest concentration of phenol was measured in ethanolic followed by methanolic, ethyl acetate, and aqueous extract. Linear relationship between extractors and antimutagenic response in the case of EECC without 9 is strong in the strain TA98R2 equal 0.99 followed by TA100R2 equal 0.97. With S9 it is strong in the strain TA98R2 equal 0.99 followed by TA100R2 equal 0.95. At all those anti-mutagenic response was significant at P 0.01 against both the strain with a percent mutagenicity decreased from 77.99 to 90.95 for TA98 followed by TA100 with percent anti-mutagenicity starting from 57.77 to 72.32. The significant level shown was P 0.01 for all concentration 50 microgram, 50, 100 microgram, and 50,000 microgram. The significant level shown was P 0.01 for all concentration with present mutagenicity decreased from 29.30 to 57.57. Number 4 for discussion. We have examined the rhizome extract of C. cassia rocks for antioxidant activity by GPPH free radical scavenging assay, total phenolic content and the reducing power assay. The use of GPPH assay provide NSC and a rapid way to evaluate antioxidant by spectrophotometer. The phenol content of the C. cassia rocks extract was found to be 52.11 milligram per GAA for MECC, 68.64 milligram per GAA for EECC, 38 milligram per GAA for EIECC, and 4.82 milligram per GAA for AECC in 100 gram of dry weight of the extract in the present study. Literature review of Sarandem and Howkeep also confirmed the maximum curcuminoid oil content, flavonoid, phenolic, different important amino acid, protein, and high alkaloid are contained in the rhizome of these species. Antioxidants have been reported to aid as scavenging of singlet oxygen and free radical in biological system. And number 5 for conclusion. In conclusion, the present study has shown for the first time that C. cassia rhizome extract is a promising source for its antimutagenic compounds. Further studies are needed to isolate the active principle present in it. The present work supported the increasing evidence that the rhizome extract of C. cassia plays an important role in cancer chemoprevention, particularly in defending cells from DNA induced by oxidative mutagen and by inhibiting CYP enzyme as documented in the present study. The source from DVTKK 2012, and Biotechnology Laboratory Department of Biotechnology, Assam University, Silchar, Assam 788011, India.
Thank you so much for your attention. Sorry if there is wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.